Today we are reviewing position 3 of the headlock attack system from the butterfly, the Darce. This is probably one of my favorite positions to do from the butterfly. When I'm here, a lot of the times when I'm doing my drags, people are getting very keen to knowing that I'm either trying to take the back, come in here. So when I hit this drag, instead of me securing the arm here, like I would typically for the arm drags or the back takes, I'm gonna go to my Darce. So I'm gonna pull this through, and as I pull this through, I'm gonna shoot my arm to the back of his head. Okay, making sure I pull his head down. I'm gonna come over his head, my arm blocks it, locking the bicep, locking here. I'm gonna scoop my hips in and rotate him to the outside. Okay, from here, I'm still in the butterfly. Now I'm gonna just walk my hips in and apply the strangle. Another angle. I'm here, dragging across, keeping this tight to my chest, shooting that arm under. Now, when I'm here, I wanna make sure I'm pulling his head down. The key to this is making sure there's no space. I let go of his arm only when I get to this position. My arm goes on top of his head. I grab my bicep, hit my bite, scoop my hips in, rotate, keeping those butterflies engaged until it's time to walk the hips in. Okay, one more angle. Now, one thing I want to also point out, there's a lot of different mechanics that we can use to finish. We can trap the legs, we can use the hips in. I'm really more focused on showing the entries and how to grab this. Okay, so I'm here, I'm dragging across. Okay, look how tight I'm staying. This arm's gonna come under, grab his head, pull the head down. This arm is important to make sure we block his head. I'm blocking his head, my hand goes on my bicep. This is gonna bite across, scoot in, I'm gonna go this way, boom, okay? Now walk those hips in. That's the Darce from the butterfly.